Hi guys, it's me Simi and welcome to another super exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to always be updated on makeup and skincare tips and tricks, and also make sure you hit on the bell icon so you don't miss out on a single episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris. And yes, this is your one stop for everything related to skincare and makeup. So you guys already know how important skincare is to me. Like however tired or busy I am, I always make sure to follow this routine. And I'm not going to sound preachy about this, but it really helps your skin. Trust me, in the long run, it really does. So today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine, and don't worry, it's not very difficult. It's very, very easy to follow. It's just something that I follow before I hit the bed, and I actually thoroughly cleanse my face, and I do a little bit of routine before I sleep. So yeah, so the first step I'm going to do is just take off all of this makeup using a skincare cleansing wipe. So while you use wipes, just make sure you don't pull your skin like too harsh. Just be very gentle with it and always go in upward circular motions. Never pull your skin downwards, okay? Okay, so the next step is to now move on to a face wash. Now this is the second step of my nighttime routine. I like to use a facial cleanser. And I like to dry cleanse my face. Now this is a kind of technique that I've learned. I don't splash water on my face. I don't wet my cleanser before I apply it on my face. I just like to dry cleanse it. So something like this. I'm just gonna massage it in circular motions upwards. Make sure it's really nicely, all over my face. And once it's like very tacky, like a little sticky, that's when I'm gonna splash water. I feel like this technique really helps in getting all of the dirt from the pores and everything, so do try it out and let me know what you think of it. Alright, great. So I'm just gonna wash my face and be back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and always remember to rinse your face off using lukewarm water because that kind of just opens up your pores, and then it's better because then all the treatment, all the products that you're going to be using, it's just going to get absorbed into your pores, and that's going to help with your treatment basically. And I'm just going to tap my skin before I proceed. Okay, so basically I've just done like 2 steps in my cleansing routine today because I'm not in the mood to exfoliate because I just exfoliated my skin last night. But you can also exfoliate and basically add on one more step to your cleansing routine in case if you want to. If you've been wearing heavy makeup, or if you've been feeling a lot of texture on your face lately. So I'm just gonna totally skip out on that for today. Now, because of our humid climate and pollution, our skin tends to get really dehydrated and dry, and we get like dark spots and clogged pores, and not to forget those fine lines and wrinkles. But there's a way we can fix all of this, but it will only work if you do this religiously, okay? So it's time that I show you guys my favorite skincare product that I use at night for treating my skin. It is the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now this is one miraculous product. I use this like twice a day. I use this in the morning as well as at night before I sleep. Now this is actually a serum which is super lightweight, and you need like just 4 drops of this. And as you can see, it's like water, literally like water, and it nourishes your skin, it repairs your dead skin cells, it also like hydrates your skin, so your skin actually feels really, really soft and moist, and it's bright. It's also like a brightening serum. Okay, now the trick is to just dab it between your palm and then press it on your skin like that. Now I like to start with my forehead first and then just all the way to my cheeks and backwards. So make sure you just pull it all the way back. So just like massage it from the center of your face backwards. Now because this product itself is so hydrating and lightweight, you do not need to really follow it up with a moisturizer. And the other good part about this product is that it serves as a really good base for makeup. And yeah, so next time you are getting ready for a fun night, you know what base to use, okay? Now for the final step for my nighttime skincare routine, we have the eye cream. And I'm just gonna take like very tiny amount of this and rub it between my ring fingers, and then just dot it underneath my eye like that. Now this just really hydrates your under eye area, which usually tends to get a bit dry and puffy. And when I use eye cream, I like to usually just pat it into my skin like this in like circular motions, because this part of your skin is like the most delicate. So just never tug or pull at your skin, because in the long run it's just gonna damage your under eye area. And yeah, I mean, the sooner you start with this, you know, the better, because this is the area where you start to see the signs of aging very, very early. Okay, so just using an eye cream in your early 20s is always a good idea. So if you still have any excess product left, then use it around your lip area to prevent any fine lines from going on there as well. So with that, this was my nighttime skincare routine, you guys. I love how convenient it is to use this product. It's one of my favorite essence to use. Like, I use it for my daytime routine as well as my nighttime routine. So yeah, this is it. Let me know if there's anything else that you want me to try out for my nighttime routine. Mention it down in the comments below and I would love to try that out. And with that, I'm ready to hit the bed. So if you want to shop for any of these products that I've used in this video, the links are mentioned in the description box below. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button and always be updated with our makeup and skincare tips and tricks. And also make sure you click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on a single episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you next time. Bye!